Okay, we have been constructed a data frame like this, right? Like a data table we created. For example, I just want to check only the first 10 rows. Then what I can do, I can say that data cell name, okay, database name dot, if I say head, we can check only first 5 rows. Okay, if I say head of 10 means top 10 rows. We can check top 10 rows. Okay, if I say um, fb fb underscore data dot tail, if I say bottom means last 5 it will show, or if I say last 10 I would like to get last 10 like this. In case I would like to have a in between like from 10th to 15th I need, then what I can do, I can say like future value underscore data dot, we have a location means I need to give the location in a square bracket. Slicing we do na same like in a list how we used to do a slicing. For example, number of rows we need to do like start from a 10. Okay, all other rows means like this, right? From 10 onwards everything we will take up, right? If I say first it will be leave blank, and here 10 if I give, the first 9 it will show, first 10 it will show, right? For example, if I say from 10 to 15, it locate that 10 to 15, right? It locate that 10 to 15. In case 10 to 15 only future value I need. Okay, then what I can do, I can say here, because it is a not in a single dimension, it is in a two dimensional. The first it will say about a rows, then by comma, if I use like future value only I need, so only future value will be shown. In case I need a from here like rate to future value, so I can say rate to future value. So rate to future value means whichever it is required from we can give, or only rate and future value we required means we can say here separate by comma, feed it in a list. Okay, rate and future value means we can slice the data as per your requirement, and we can store it somewhere by saying that variable. Just if you give the variable a name, then sliced data will be, you will check. Okay, I just given the log. The first part will be slice the row wise, the second part will be taking care about a column names. Okay, we can give the range of column or name of the column or list of column name also. Okay, this is the location. In for example, so many columns you have, you will not be able to identify the name of the column based on the index of the column you would like to give, like 0, 1, 2, 3 we have, right? Based on the index if you like to give, then we have code as a like future value underscore data dot ilog. Okay, index location. There also the row index we will give like same way, like 10 to 15 I need, means 10 to 15 it will take. Okay, up to 15, not 15 will be included here because it is a index slicing, not exactly name of the index I'm giving. For example, I just want uh, present value, so I can say comma 0, so only present value it will show. In case I need from present value to 2, means present value and rate, first two column it will show. Okay, this will be again row, it is for the column, but it's a index of the column means 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, number of the columns it will take, based on that it will take in a ilog. Okay, and you may be having some this one like future value of data. I just want to locate for the year 10. Okay, I just want to locate for the year 10. Then what we can do, we can say future value for data dot locate. I just want to locate, I will open the square bracket, within that I say future value data in that database dot which column we need to take. We need to take a year column. Year column, it should be equal to 10. In year column, the value is a 10, then only I need to get. See, for 10 years, 10 investment only it has been extracted. If I say greater than or equal to 7, like this, okay, 7 and 10 it will take. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can extract the data and you can keep it separately by using location or iloc or by using just log. Okay, only you like to slice rows and column basis, then log. On the basis of index, ilog. In the base of some condition, then you can use a log and you can give the condition within that. Instead of saying that which row or which column to be taken, I just given that which row has to be taken. Okay, which row has to be taken in the form of in that particular column we need to call and condition we need to give on that. Okay, these are the some of the useful what we say tools available in pandas install in the form of modification of your data we can do. In coming session we will learn about how to construct a data frame by using a yeah, now only we will do that. For example, so far we have learned about how to modify data and dictionary. In case you have some URL, okay, URL is nothing but a, for example, if you go to like heritage places in India. Okay, if I go there, some like in Wikipedia, there is a list of heritage places we have. Okay, we will be having some tables in a Wikipedia. Okay, but I need this table. I need this name, everything I need. So I need this table in my Python. Okay, how can we do that one? Just click on that word of heritage, like one Wikipedia page you open. Okay, then copy that Wikipedia page link you copy, and here URL equal to, I just open on quotation and paste that link. Okay, so that I have been created one URL, right? That copy that link and paste it here. Then what I will do, I say data is equal to data underscore, I say wiki is equal to, I call pandas data frame. Okay, no, not data frame here. We need to say read, because we are not using anything here. We are reading that URL, right? So we say read HTML we have. Okay, read HTML, read HTML. In that you have to give the URL. In that you have to give the URL. Directly you can paste this, or you can paste it somewhere and you can feed that one. Now if you check data underscore wiki, okay, so many tables we have because multiple tables we had. Okay, in that which table you require na, that table name you have to say, like just open the square bracket and say if I need second table, yes, second table it will show. Okay, region, UNESCO, description, like this. If I need a third table, I said third table. Okay, if I need a fourth table, if it is there it will show, yes, fourth table, fifth table, like this. But there is no information in 4 and 5. So 1 2 3 we have some information, like all the information about a UNESCO heritage sites in India. So any website, from any website, if that website permit, then only we can extract. Okay, it is not possible if website is restricted. Okay, if any website is permitting to extract the information, then you can directly copy that here and URL and you can get it. Okay, any web pages how to scrap it, we have a auto scraper, that separate module we will create to discuss about that auto scrapping, how to do that one. Okay, but any website you have table and that table you would like to extract, then we use a read HTML and we take that table like this. Okay, you can store that table separately like this is a state wise. Okay, equal to, if I do, then it will be constructed a separate table called as a state wise. See, right? Based on this, again you can work it on, right? So this is the one more useful way of extracting a data. So far we have done using a URL, using a dictionary, using a list, using a series. The next important one is like in case you have a data in an Excel or a CSV, then how to connect that one. We will discuss in a coming session.